Today I am going to show Bliss OS new version. Before also I did one video. It's based on a 14.10 Bliss over 14.10 and it's totally of Android features and all. Now I am going to do Bliss over new version. Bliss OS 15 I am going to do, and 16 is there, and now I'll download latest version. I open Google Chrome and typing as Bliss OS, BLISS OS, and 14 was released and 15 released, and it is surface builds. And here you can see Bliss OS Android x86 is there, and Bliss OS for PC and Android based. So here download option is there, just download it, just click on download option, and this OS is very good for using of Android in PC. And here you can see Bliss OS 14 and 15. Now I am choose the 15 and source for, and here you can see here you can see here official apps and all. So I just downloaded ISO image, and Bliss 15. Here you can see ISO image in desktop, and now you have to download Rufus because of bootable of pen drive Rufus. So open Google Chrome and type there as RUFUS Rufus, and then download it. And here you can see Rufus drive properties, and you have to insert the pen drive, minimum 8 to 16 GB pen drive, and select option will be there, or else you can just drag and drop the ISO image in this box. Just drag it, just keep cursor on it and drag and drop, and then start it. And after starting here scan image, scanning image and all, it is green color appeared. And here you can see start. I did start, and ISO image I choose, and do you want to format it anyway? Yes. And here all data on device will be erased. Whatever pen drive data will be there, it will be erased. And before inserting pen drive, you have to copy the entire data in some other device, and my completed. And now I am showing this Bliss OS 15 is there in my pen drive name has been changed. Now you have to restart your system, and after restarting the system, here you can see Bliss OS 15 is there. Booting option appeared, and here booting has been started. Have a truly blissful experience. Here you can see Bliss OS new 15 version. This image is there. Before also I did 14 version, and it was very good, and I shown the entire features how to download and all. Here you can see English United States. I am choosing and started. Connect to Wi-Fi. So just we have to connect our Wi-Fi. Setup offline is option also there. Even you can do that, you can go for it. This is very good platform for this Android version OS. So here no bugs will be there in this version, new version. No bugs are present. See here, checking info, it will take some time to complete. So this is more stable build to date, and it runs 99% of apps and all, and has no bugs even. And although some modern AMD APU GPU may have some, See here, password you have to give, and here pin. You can choose anything. Like this is Android version, so here, taskbar for Bliss OS desktop mode. I'm selecting always and grant permission. We have to grant every permission. Display over other apps, and here Termux is there, taskbar is there, smart docs, set orientation. So I'm just allowing everyone everything. All apps I'm choosing allow display, and smart dock, and these are the features, more advanced features. Grant permission, and here phone set, taskbar. Okay, settings are there, and now you can see here settings, and do not disturb mode is there, Bluetooth mode is there, aeroplane mode is there, alarm, everything is there, like same like Android. And here config physical keyboard, taskbar is displaying, Bliss OS. Okay, Play Store is there, Google Play Store, so you can use it in this. So it is very useful, it is very useful for everyone. So hope if you found this is somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.